Today we are making a Hocus Pocus charcuterie board. Say that 3 times, charcuterie board. Welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. We are making, as you can see, a Hocus Pocus charcuterie board. Say that with me, charcuterie. It actually means placing meat and cheese on a platter really nicely and just making a lot of pretty things, displayed nicely. But we are gonna go, towards the sweet side of a charcuterie board because it is Shalise Bakes Cakes. And like I said, it's Hocus Pocus style. So let's make some magic, guys. It's kind of the perfect day to be making this because it's like a gloomy, rainy day, so it's kind of a spooky day here. So I am excited to show you guys how we're gonna put this charcuterie board together. If you don't wanna call it a charcuterie board, you can just call it a candy platter because really, that's what it basically is. Let's see, my husband, he made me my nice little platter out of some pallets. Super easy, super fun. It's just a really big platter. Just make sure it's fairly big, depending on how much, treats and baked goods you want to put on your charcuterie board. So to make a charcuterie board, we're just gonna start placing things around our board. You can see I'm using the biggest things I have first. I'm gonna put them down kind of as a guide so then we can kind of fill in around it. I have my cute witch cauldron. I'm gonna set it here and a couple of Halloween, little buckets we're gonna set around there. Then we're gonna dump some sprinkles into our cauldron because, it's sprinkles, so we have to. And then we're gonna add our cutest little witch cauldrons into our actual big cauldron. After we've added those, I'm gonna have the recipe for all of the things I'm adding on this board and they're gonna be coming up soon, so stay tuned for those. Then we're gonna add our Monster Book brownies. And you can see I just kind of set them there and we kind of move stuff around. Don't be afraid to move things and get things in a different position if you need to. And then we're gonna add our hot cocoa bombs over here and just kind of place them around nicely. Then we'll add our super cute witch hats that we made out of chocolate ice cream cones and chocolate cookies, and we filled them with all sorts of fun treats. We'll add those on. Then we're gonna add our whoopee pies, which of course I had to do the colors of Winifred, Sarah, and Mary. I did a lot of those colors, actually. But we have our whoopee pies filled with marshmallow filling. There's no right or wrong way to assemble a charcuterie board. Just kind of go crazy. You just wanna make sure that you fill it all in. Okay, after we have the baked goods kind of put on there nicely, we're gonna add just different candies, sprinkles, we have suckers, I have more suckers I put in here, and just different candies. Just kind of fill it all in. Once you have the big things on your board, just start filling it in. Making a charcuterie board is not as crazy as you think it is. Like I said, just get the bigger things, put them on first, and just kind of fill in from there. All the recipes for these cute bakes that I showed you as I put this cute charcuterie board together will be coming up in my next videos. I hope you guys had an awesome time making a Hocus Pocus charcuterie board. Come on, it's Hocus Pocus. I love Hocus Pocus, and I hope I did it justice. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalise Bakes Cakes, and have an awesome Hocus Pocus day, guys.